Hello and welcome to Dr. DK's channel. In this video, we are talking about the concept of cubital fossa. Cubital fossa, it is the triangular structure present in front of elbow. Triangular structure means it have boundaries. Number 1, medial boundary, which is formed by lateral border of pronator teres. Number 2, lateral boundary is formed by medial border of brachioradialis. Other one is the base, which is represented by imaginary line, formed by joining of two epicondyle of humerus. Its apex is where brachioradialis crosses the pronator teres. Roof of cubital fossa, which is from above downward. Uppermost part is skin. Number 2, superficial fascia, which contain median cubital vein. Number 3 is the deep fascia. Number 4 is the bicipital aponeurosis, floor of cubital fossa. It's formed by two muscle. First one is brachialis, and other one is supinator. Contents of cubital fossa. From medial to lateral, median nerve, brachial artery, biceps brachii, and the radial nerve. It is simply remember as MBBR, or by tricks. First is the median beats biceps reflex. Second is the medical branches bring results. Third is the My Big Brother rocks. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned the concept of cubital fossa. If you enjoy this video, then hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the Dr. DK's channel. Stay tuned for such more video.